In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut, the fastest free AI video generator. This tool is perfect if you're looking to create engaging videos quickly and efficiently. To get started, you'll want to navigate to CapCut.com. Once you're there, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for a free one. It's a simple process and only takes a few moments. If you're already a member, go ahead and log into your account to access all the features that CapCut offers. Once logged in, direct your attention to the option labeled AI Video Generator, sometimes also referred to as script to video. This feature is the heart of CapCut's AI video creation capabilities. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you can begin crafting your video narrative. Now comes the fun part, typing in your script or idea. For instance, you might type in something like, make a travel vlog about Paris. The software is designed to turn your ideas into reality, crafting a narrative that fits the concept you have in mind. Next, you'll want to choose your preferred video style. Is your target audience more inclined to watch videos on their mobile phone, or are they more traditional, preferring a horizontal format suitable for larger screens? You can opt for either vertical or horizontal videos here, and even select whether you want a voiceover included or not, depending on the tone and style you're going for. Once you're satisfied with these selections, simply click on Generate Video. This is where CapCut's advanced AI really shines. Using your script, CapCut will automatically create scenes, incorporate voiceovers if selected, and add visuals that complement your narrative. It's almost like having your personal video production team at your fingertips. After your video is generated, you'll be in the editing phase. Here, you can tweak to your heart's content. Maybe you decide you want to swap out an image, adjust the music, or refine some of the text. CapCut's editing tools are intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that you can make precise edits without hassle. Remember, the aim here is to make sure the video aligns perfectly with your vision. Finally, once everything looks polished and you're happy with the result, it's time to export and download your completed video. Simply click on the export option to save your masterpiece. Now you have a professional AI-generated video ready to share with the world on your platform of choice. And there you have it, a complete guide to using CapCut's fastest free AI video generator. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now inspired to create incredible videos with ease. Thanks for watching and happy creating.